Good morning, Firebird family. Just out here getting some vitamin D. I'm at Woodland Cemetery, and one of the best overlooks of Dayton. I'm standing here in the sunshine, and I'm reminded of my good friend, Mr. Dan, the barefoot yoga man. One of the things that he's taught me is that when you do deep cyclic box breathing, where you take a long, slow breath in through your nose, hold it in a comfortable way, and then let it out slow and long through your nose. Hold it if you can. Just find a comfortable pace. And what happens is that stimulates the vagal nerve underneath your 5 lobes of lungs. And that vagal nerve then helps reset the tension that's going on. That helps reset the HPV, what's it called? Hyperpituitary adrenal axis. It helps reset that, and it takes you in a different direction. And if you add that with mindfulness, meaning that you are breathing, but then you're also being aware of your circumstances and your presence and what you're doing right now. And so what's so interesting is that when you do this, it helps you to enjoy the moment that you are in, rather than constantly going after your to-do list. So mindfulness in this case is just taking a minute and just enjoying the sun. Can you feel that on your hand, on your face? Can you feel it on your chin? And you become absorbed in the moment. And it's very interesting because it heightens the value of our experiences. And rather than just trying to get things done, you're enjoying fully these moments. Yeah? What do you think?